Hello everybody, tonight we make something special, it's so good. We make a penne with the shrimp, spinach, and I got a plum tomato. Now, I already peeled the tomato, it's already done. And the shrimp, everybody say it's 1 pound of shrimp I got over here. The spinach is 8 ounces, and 6 plum tomato. Heavy cream, and I got a cheese, garlic, onion, parsley, a flake hot pepper. Okay, we start with the oil. I want to make a nice color of the shrimp. And now we put the garlic. And we make this. Nice fry the garlic. Okay, and now it's time for the shrimp. The shrimp only you gotta cook like maybe a couple of minutes, not too long. Cause the shrimp you not gotta cook too long. Okay, after still you gotta cook the shrimp together with the tomato. I gotta put it with the spinach. This I cook a little bit. And after I take it out. Now I turn this. Cause we make it nice. Oh, the smell already with this garlic, it's so good. Okay, now the shrimp, I like it like this. And I put a little flake hot pepper and the parsley. I saute together. Okay, give a nice color of the shrimp. Okay, you don't gotta do too long the parsley, because if you cook it too long the parsley, what happens? The parsley burn. Okay, I load that the gas, and now I want to take it out, the shrimp. Okay, now it's a time because we got to do the tomato. And I put oil. And I got over here little garlic and onion. We saute this a little bit. Okay, I got to put the plum tomato. This is the plum tomato. It's not my plum tomato. I was a buy. And what I do, I put in hot water, and you take the skin out, and you got like this. You know, it's not the same taste when you buy in a can. When it's fresh, it gives you a different taste. Now it's time we put the plum tomato. Now the plum tomato, I leave it cook about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, now it's time of the spinach. Everybody know the spinach what it do. It do this. He give it to me. Big muscle. Okay, now the spinach. But we gotta turn a little bit on a time. Okay, I got the spinach, you know. The spinach right away, it go down. Tonight I gotta have a delicious dinner. And plus, chin chin. And salute everybody. I don't want to miss my chin chin. Okay, let me put all the spinach inside. I gotta cook not too long, for a couple of 2 or 3 minutes. Now, the time this spinach, it go down a little bit, I want to pick up my pasta. And the penne, you gotta cook, I like al dente, but you gotta cook 11 to 12. But I cook this for 10 minutes. Okay, now we put the heavy cream, it's half a cup. We load that the gas, and we make a turn on this, like that. Okay, now we put the shrimp, everything together. And I give a nice turn on this. Now we gotta wait the pasta to cook, and I put right inside on these spots over here. Okay, now the pasta is ready, and I want to take the pasta like this. It's okay, see, you got a little water, okay? You need little water to on the pasta. Now we put cheese. I'll leave more cheese. Okay, after you gotta go on the top when you put on the dish. Oh, look at this. Now you talk. I mix this, and I'm ready to eat. Okay, now we put on this big dish, the spasa. Oh, look at that. It's really nice, really good stuff. Now we pour cheese. Oh. I want to test the shrimp first. Look how big, boy. Look like lobster tail. Spice, like I like. The penne, the pasta al dente. And this, it's more al dente. Salute e cincin devi bere. A tutti quanti, io mi bevo wine a faccia vostra e voi ne bevete niente. I drink the wine and I don't want to give no wine to nobody, only for me. Salute e cincin. You know why? Because the spinach, look this, my spinach tonight. Salute e cincin, I'll see you next time.